Ujambo na karibu. A recent online opinion poll has stirred fresh discussion about the direction and preparedness of Kenya's opposition as the 2027 general election approaches, revealing both growing interest and persistent internal division. The poll shared widely on Facebook and drawing participation from thousands of users, invited respondents to select their preferred opposition presidential contender from four prominent figures: former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka, former Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i, and NARC Kenya leader Martha Karua. While informal and scientific, the exercise sparked intense debate and offered insight into shifting public attitude within opposition circle. Fred Matiang'i emerged as the most talked about figure. Many participants described him as decisive and resource-oriented, pointing to his record in government as proof of administrative strength. A strong view running through the discussion suggested that the united opposition front behind Matiang'i could pose a serious challenge to President William Ruto, potentially narrowing the contest to two dominant candidates. Thank you for watching City Media. Please subscribe, share, comment.